Namaskar. This is Akhilesh Bhargav. Welcome to Tidbits on Business and Finance with me. The corona crisis continues to surge in India and we have yet to reach a peak. According to optimists, we will reach a peak sometime in July, but pessimists say that the peak will come only in November and that by then there would be yet another resurge according to them. Realists are somewhere in between. They say that the peak will come sometime in August or September of this year. Because of the sickness continuing, because of the scare that it has caused, the lockdown of the economy continues, and many sectors and states actually continue to be in a closed mode. As long as the lockdown continues, contraction of the economy obviously continues. The chairman of Hindustan Unilever recently said that according to him, it is only by September that we will come to know what is the situation of demand and supply in the country. In other words, only then will we come to know how is the recovery of the economy post-corona going to look like. Speculation continues not just about when will corona end and recovery start, but speculation continues in terms of how will be the recovery. And the popular terms are used are that the recovery will be V-shaped, W-shaped, U-shaped, L-shaped, or even sawtooth shaped. What are these shapes all about and what is the recovery expected to be? Let's first understand all these terms. A V-shaped recovery means that there has been a steep fall in the economy and now there will be a quick recovery thereafter. In other words, the economy will bounce back. A W-shaped recovery on the other hand means that there will be a double dip. There will be a sharp fall. After that, there will be a recovery which will prove to be a false recovery, and then there will be a dip again before finally recovery in the economy starts. That's a W-shaped recovery. A U-shaped recovery would mean that there has been a steep fall. After that, the economy would continue to stagnate and thereafter start rising accordingly. An L-shaped recovery would mean a steep fall and a very prolonged period of stagnation of growth in the economy. And a sawtooth recovery would mean that there is a rise and then a dip, there is a rise and then a dip, hoping that the direction is northward bound. Thus, the speculation, the debate continues on whether it would be a V-shaped recovery, a W-shaped, a U-shaped, L-shaped, or a sawtooth shape. Let's see what are the prevailing opinions. Government side experts, of course, like to predict that the recovery will be V-shaped, that as soon as corona ends, the economy will bounce back. The likes of Dr. Subbarao, former Reserve Bank governor, also say that it will be a V-shaped recovery merely because the demand and supply infrastructure in the country, according to him, remains intact and there should be no difficulty in resuming growth in the economy immediately. Morgan Stanley says that India's recession is going to be short and sharp and that the bounce back will happen soon thereafter, thus indicating a V kind of a shaped recovery. Morgan Stanley says that recovery will begin in the first quarter of calendar year 2021 and that, according to it, for such a recovery, the government needs to pump money in the economy. According to Morgan Stanley, India's autumn will witness yet another resurge of the corona crisis, but according to it, the lockdown because of it is going to be very limited. The global rating agency Fitch also reports or thinks that there will be a sharp recovery, indicating a V-shaped recovery. Fitch says that in financial year 21-22, India's economy will grow by 8.5%, which is a very smart recovery. But then, let's not forget that this 8.5% is based on a low base and that effect makes it 8.5%. Even Fitch says that the government will need to spend more in order to support the economy, in order to ensure that this kind of a growth takes place. And Fitch incidentally expects that the government will come up with a second stimulus package in order to spend, and it expects that this package would be at least 1% of India's GDP in terms of actual spending. Mr. Guru Murthy, who happens to be on the Central Board of the Reserve Bank of India and who is the Swadeshi Jagran Manch ideologue, he thinks that India's growth will be much faster compared to other countries. He incidentally expects that the government will come up with a second stimulus package sometime towards the end of September, because that is when he thinks that the corona crisis will subside. Incidentally, he thinks that India's demand will now become need-based spending instead of aspiration-based spending, and there will be a shift to that extent. But even he expects that the government will spend money in order to create a demand. According to the IMF, recovery of the global economy post-corona is going to be very slow. According to it, there is profound uncertainty prevailing even in the matter of resurgence of COVID, which will again impact the global economy. It says that there is a limit to how much there can be a stimulus to revive the economy, and also a limit on the debt and deficit that a government can incur. In other words, these are the factors on the basis of which recovery of the global economy will depend, and there's a limit to it. All governments are facing starvation of their own fisc. Thus, it is timely stimulus and action by the government and by the Reserve Bank which will determine how soon a revival takes place, which is what the IMF says. What is our opinion on this matter? What will it be? A V-shaped recovery, a W-shaped, U, L, or a sawtooth shape? We certainly rule out a V-shaped recovery. We do not think that recovery of the Indian economy post-corona is going to be sharp and quick, and we have reasons to say that. The first is, all the agencies above, whether it is Fitch or Morgan Stanley or IMF or even Mr. Gurumurthy, they all admit that in order to revive demand, the government will need to spend, and that is what the Indian government has not been doing. Thus, for want of government stimulus, the economy is not going to revive as quickly and sharply as experts think it should. The other is, the enterprises are starved of funds. There is liquidity shortage in the market, and thus, even if demand revives, the enterprises do not have the working capital in order to produce goods. The supply chain will take time to kickstart, and that also in effect means that it will not be a V-shaped sharp recovery or a bounce in the economy. The demand in the economy is determined by spending, and with no jobs, rather with increasing joblessness and no income for those who are jobless, and those numbers rising, that means demand is not going to shoot up the way they expect it to. Again, a reason why it cannot be a V-shaped recovery. Government finances continue to remain poor, and sectors like real estate, tourism, etc. are facing a long-term deep distress. They will take time to get out of it, and that will again restrain the recovery of the economy. Let us also not forget that prior to Corona coming in, the Indian economy was already on a shaky ground. Our macro indices were deteriorating and slipping. GDP growth had fallen to an 11-year low. Joblessness had been rising, it continues to rise. Private investment was not taking place. Consumer spending was dipping. Fiscal deficit of the government had shot up, and tax collections were falling. These factors also determine the growth rate of the economy. Unless these factors are not resolved, unless the macros of the economy are not strengthened, there will not be a V-shaped recovery. And the reality is that all those factors which prevailed in the Indian economy in March 2020 continue to do so now, rather they have aggravated. GDP growth has only gone down after March. Until all these are resolved, the V-shaped recovery, as the government experts would like to think, is not going to materialize. So, what will be the recovery like in our opinion? According to us, it is most likely going to be a double dip recovery, which is a W-shaped recovery. Because of the pent-up demand caused by the lockdown, after the corona is gone or in control, there will be a surge in demand and production because of the pent-up demand. But after that is met, you'll come back to ground reality. There'll be a dip again. And only if the government measures come in, only after the economy resolves itself, will a steady growth start. Thus, according to us, it will be a W-shaped recovery, a double dip recovery. It is not going to be L, it is not going to be U, it is not going to be V. It will be a W-shaped recovery, and nor will it be a sawtooth recovery. We wish and we hope that the government does come up with a strong stimulus package, as the likes of Mr. Gurumurthy think, such that we are proven wrong and that it turns out to be a V-shaped recovery. This is Akhilesh Bhargav signing off till we meet again. Namaskar.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं हैं। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर हैं।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है कि हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे। इस संकट के समय में आप घर पे रहे, सुरक्षित रहे।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.